So, hi there, my name is TJ, I'm from Chicago, and I am really bad at Spanish. So, yeah, I've been wanting to learn Spanish for a really long time, but it just never clicked for me using textbooks or, online classes or things like that. So, yeah, and then I saw this ad for Lingopie, and I thought, why not? Give it a try. So, yeah, I started watching this TV show called Oswaldo. It's a cartoon about a very weird penguin and his friends, and it is hilarious. And yeah, I learned a lot and really enjoyed watching it. So yeah, the cool thing about Lingopie is that, like, you set your level. So I set my level to beginner, and so as I'm watching the show, I can see subtitles, and most of the words are in English, but some of the words are in Spanish. And if I don't know the word, I can pause the video at any time and click on it, and it'll show me exactly what it means. So yeah, it's kind of like learning without realizing you're learning, which really suits me because I'm not good at that. So yeah, after using Lingopie for just a few days, I feel like I've learned a lot, and I look forward to learning more. So yeah, highly recommended.